Welcome. The following video covers a quick overview of the IGS templates for generic use of geosynthetics. The templates serve first as a starting point for new and existing users when using the one-click tool, and second, to evidence the environmental advantages of geosynthetic-based solutions compared to traditional construction materials. First of all, users must request access to the templates covered in the previous videos. Once access is granted, log into the one-click app. Check out the IGS license and proceed to Your Projects tab. It's located at the left of the screen next to the Public Demo tab. Templates include pavement systems, drainage and filter systems, soil reinforcements, and landfill applications. Lifecycle inventories are based on past publications available in the literature, such as the work by Stuckey and collaborators in 2011. Let's take a closer look at Case 4, which covered two alternatives for road stabilization. In this case, a coarse-based stabilization is compared with a reinforced base with a geogrid material. Here we can see the two alternatives and access the project details, including the calculated results, measured in CO2 equivalent emissions. More details on project inputs and result visualization are covered in the following videos.